So my old Apple Watch straps started to look kinda old and I wanted to freshen up my watch. So instead of spending $50 to purchase original Apple ones, I decided to just buy cheap ones from China, and I paid $1.30 for these, so a bit over $1. So very simple packaging. So surely these must be 50 times worse since they cost 50 times less than the original ones. But that's not really the case, guys. From the first look, they look pretty much identical to the original ones. Actually, I literally can't find any single difference. And the quality of them is actually very good as well, and it has kind of soft touch feel. Maybe when you touch both bands, they feel a bit tiny different, but that's when you have both in the hand and we can directly compare them. However, the feeling of this is actually very nice. And my old Apple Watch strap is obviously used for a couple of years, so it might not have the original feel. Anyway, first look on the feel and build quality and the rubber, they look pretty much like they came from the same factory almost. So on the ends you got same metal pin inside here as on the original ones. When you look maybe closer, you can see maybe they're not that, maybe there's like tiny prick here that not properly finished basically. So, but apart from that, quality wise, I can't really see any problem whatsoever with these watches. And again, maybe some molding, like you can just maybe prick it off. So I mean, just really complaining for no reason. And these metal buckles here also look pretty much identical. You can't really tell them apart basically. And the quality is also very good. It fits in these holes very snugly, and it's actually easy to put on. So it's actually very good system. And yeah, in the watch itself, they slide in pretty much perfect, and just like the original ones, and they lock in place as well, so there's no issue of them sliding out or whatever. And the size also is pretty much perfect. So actually, yeah, I'm quite surprised that these are that good. I was worried that they might be simply very cheap and not very good feeling on your hand, and the material won't be good. So that's what you maybe can expect from very cheap. But I honestly, this really is almost like zero difference from the original ones. So what is the point to pay $50 for these when you can pay just $1 for replacement ones, and they look and feel pretty much the same. Obviously the Apple straps are complete ripoff, and yeah, just purchase this one really. When wearing it on hand, it also looks identical, and also the feeling is actually very nice. So it doesn't feel like cheap stuff at all. It feels like pretty much like original stuff, like it came from the same factory basically. So yeah, very impressed actually. And again, they're very easy to put on and take off as well, and you got quite secure fix. The buckle is actually pretty much identical as well, so it's actually very good. I don't know how long this part will last, obviously time will only tell, but at the first moment I don't really see any problem. Of course, maybe these will wear down a bit faster than the original ones. I don't really know if that's the case, but still, these are like 50 times cheaper than the original ones, so you can just purchase some more if that happens. So overall, I can highly recommend these. So if you just want to freshen up your watch and maybe change straps, or maybe if you're selling your old watch, you can purchase, spend $1 and purchase new straps, and you can increase the resale value of your Apple Watch as well with these straps. Again, very good stuff. So if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button.